Hello YouTube, Chastek Spark with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to install Google Chrome in your Windows computer. You may have Windows 11, Windows 10 or other Windows operating system, but you want to install Google Chrome like this on my computer. So in order to install the Google Chrome, maybe most of the computer have Microsoft Edge. So open your Microsoft Edge and type here Google Chrome. Here Google Chrome. Select the Google Chrome option, and here you will find http://www.google.com. So Google Chrome download the fast and secure browser. So select this first option, and you will find a download option here, which is download Chrome, or which is for Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 8, 7, and also 64-bit. So select download Chrome. Here it says thank you for downloading, and if your download did not start automatically, then click here download Chrome manually. So select download Chrome manually if it's not starting. So here the setup exe is downloaded. So here it says open file. So select here open file. Then select by confirming here yes, and it will start connected to the internet to download Chrome on your computer. Based on your connection speed, it may take some minutes. If you have a fast connection, it will finish fast, and if you have a slow connection, it may take much longer. So wait until the download will be completed, and it will directly leads you to the Google Chrome page. Here Google Chrome is installed in my computer and it just opened, so you can download and install Google Chrome on your PC. So this is all about for today's video, and if today's video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching.